Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation x squared over x plus 1 whole cubed plus 3 over x plus 1 whole squared is equal to 39. Our job is to find all possible values of x such that x is a real number. So let's start. X squared divided by x plus 1 whole cubed plus, to make this x plus 1 whole squared same as this x plus 1 whole cubed, we multiply and divide this expression by x plus 1 like this. 3 divided by x plus 1 whole squared, we multiply by x plus 1, we multiply the denominator by x plus 1 is equal to 39. Next, x squared divided by x plus 1 whole cubed plus 3 times x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed is equal to 39. Now the LCM of these two denominators is x plus 1 whole cubed. So this x squared will come here plus this 3 times x plus 1 will come here. 3 times x plus 1 is equal to 39. Next, x squared plus 3 times x will become 3x plus 3 times 1 3 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed is equal to 39. Next, x squared plus this 3 times x can be written as 2 times x plus x, and this 3 can be written as plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed is equal to 39. Now this x squared plus 2 times x plus 1 will become x plus 1 whole squared plus, we make these two terms a group, x plus 1 plus this 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed is equal to 39. Now this expression can be written as x plus 1 whole squared divided by x plus 1 whole cubed plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cubed plus 1 over x plus 1 whole cubed is equal to 39. Now this x plus 1 whole squared will be cancelled out, and here we are left with 1, and this cancelled out. This x plus 1 will be cancelled out with this 3, and here we are left with 2, and in the numerator we are left with 1. Next, this will become 1 over x plus 1 plus this 1 over x plus 1 whole squared can be written as 1 divided by x plus 1 whole squared plus this 1 over x plus 1 whole cubed can be written as 1 over x plus 1 whole cubed is equal to 39. We suppose that let 1 over x plus 1 is equal to t. So this equation will become t plus t squared plus t cubed is equal to 39. We move this 39 to the left hand side and we rearrange these terms. We write this t cubed first, t cubed plus this t squared plus t. This positive 39 will become negative 39 is equal to 0. Next, t cubed plus t squared plus t. This negative 39 can be written as negative 27 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. We make a group of this t cubed and this negative 27. We make another group of this t squared minus 9, and we make another group of this t and this negative 3, like this: t cubed minus 27 plus t squared minus 9 plus t minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, t cubed minus this 27 is same as 3 cubed plus t squared minus this 9 is same as 3 squared plus this t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, by using this algebraic identity, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This t cubed minus 3 cubed will become t minus 3 times t squared plus 3 times t plus 3 squared are 9 plus, by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This t squared minus 3 squared will become t plus 3 times t minus 3 plus, from these two terms we can factor out 1. In bracket left, t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this t minus 3, this t minus 3 and this t minus 3 is common. So we factor out this t minus 3, and in bracket left this t squared plus 3t plus 9 plus t plus 3 and this plus 1. In bracket left, t squared plus 3 times t plus 9 plus t plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, t minus 3 times t squared plus 3 times t plus 1t will become 4 times t plus 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13 is equal to 0. And from here, either this expression t minus 3 is equal to 0, or this expression t squared plus 4 times t plus 13 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of t is equal to 3. From this equation we see that the discriminant is less than 0 or greater than 0. Discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac, and this will become 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 13, and 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 13 will become 52, and 16 minus 52 is negative 36. So the discriminant is less than 0. It means no real solutions can be found from this equation. So we accept only this value of t, 3. Now recall that we have supposed that 1 over x plus 1 is equal to t. We have supposed that 1 over x plus 1 is equal to t. So when t is equal to 3, then this equation will become 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 3. And if we multiply both sides by x plus 1, this will become x is equal to 3 times x plus 1. Next, 1 is equal to 3 times x, 3x. And 3 times 1 plus 3. We subtract 3 from both sides. So this gets cancelled and this equation will become negative 2 is equal to 3 times x. And if we divide both sides by 3, this 3 will be cancelled with this 3 and we get the value of x is equal to negative 2 over 3. This is the final value of x. This is the final answer of this problem.